Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am back with challenge number 6 in my No Spend November challenge and giveaway series. If this is your first time hearing about my giveaway, what I am doing in the month of November is challenging myself to not spend any money on new craft supplies. I want to use what I have, use old tools, old stamps, stuff from my stash to create this month. And I would like you to join me in the challenge. Now, you can spend money if you want to on craft supplies outside of this challenge, but if you participate in one of my challenges, which I hope to have 15 up by the end of the month, you cannot use anything new. You have to use only items from your stash that follow the challenge. So far I've had 5. I will link the playlist of all of those below. And if you want to join us, make sure that you go and watch the intro video and watch it completely through at least once, because there are a lot of instructions about how you can enter. So make sure you do that so you get entered. I will link that video below as well, and I'll pop that up in the upper right corner now. So in January, I will be drawing for 3 prizes. They are all gift cards to online crafty stores. Again, that is all covered in the intro video, but the grand prize is $25. I have a second place for $15 and then a third place for a $10 gift certificate. So the more challenges you play along with, the more bonus entries you find this month, the more likely you are to win one of those. For challenge number 6, I have decided to go with Time for a Makeover. I have been crafting for a long time, and I used to have a blog years ago where I shared my creations online, and what I wanted to do was go back and use one of those early projects as inspiration. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to find one of your old projects that you've created and just redo it. You know, maybe make it more current or just use new papers. Anything that you want to do, as long as it's a new project with using only items in your stash. Now this paper pad might look familiar. I did use it for yesterday's challenge, which was Trusted Technique. So I thought I would pull some of the scraps from that, as well as a new sheet or 2 from this paper pad. The new sheet is this one in the back. I really just like those wood slices with different images on them. And then I had the border strip paper, and then the pattern papers that I used on the card front. Before I get started, I do want to share with you the card that I'll be making over. Here's a picture of it. And that was from, I believe, 2009 or 2010. I will double check, and I will link my post below, and I will put on the screen when exactly it was from, so you know. But I really liked the idea of a card that was more of a pocket card. That's what I thought I would do today on camera. Now, if this is your first time to my channel and you like what you see today, I hope you'll be inspired to hit that subscribe button below. And all my regular viewers and subscribers, welcome back. For this card base, it is a 4 1/4 by 11 inch piece of cardstock. And what I'm going to do is score this in half at 5 1/2 inches, and then I'm going to score it 2 inches from one edge. And really, as long as you orient it later correctly, it doesn't matter which edge the 2 inches comes off of. You'll fold your card in half, and then that other piece will just fold back on itself. Eventually, I will adhere these sides down and the flap, and that will create my pocket. But now it's time to figure out exactly where I want everything.
For the remainder of this process video, I am just going to speed through it. I think everything is pretty self-explanatory, and you probably, if you're going to try to recreate this, need to do some measuring on your end just in case it doesn't fit correctly with what I have made. Like, for instance, if your pocket needs a little bit smaller tag, then you can take care of that. Now, if you do have any questions, make sure to leave those below. As a thank you for taking the time to watch the entire process today, I do have a bonus entry opportunity for you. If you are hearing this and you would like a bonus entry, please send me an email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com, and that is in the description box below. And in the subject line, give me your YouTube username and then write fast forward. That way I'll know that you listened to this and I'll get you one bonus entry. Now, like I mentioned in the intro video, in order to get a bonus entry, you do have to participate in at least one challenge this month.
And there is a quick makeover of a card I had previously created and enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give my video a thumbs up. And until challenge number 7, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.